For your convenience, a concrete calculator is provided below. Links will also be provided on the page for products and/or services that we feel would help in this process. Concrete is a staple to any property, commercial or residential, and having the right contractor is extremely important for a whole host of reasons. Whether you are looking to replace your driveway, repair a driveway, floors, walkways, patios, steps, or any other concrete services that require a larger amount of concrete, we will give you the information you need to call one of our highly qualified contractors who are ready to help. Concrete is made up of 3 basic components: water, aggregate of rock, sand or gravel, and then Portland cement. It is important to understand the concrete you want to use and any reinforcement material that may be necessary to give that project the longest life possible. Cement comes in a powder form most of the time and acts as a binding agent when mixed with water and all of the aggregates. What is a concrete mix design? It simply means the proportions of each mixed component to create a product that works best for a particular application. What slump do you need? What strength is sufficient? Do you need entrained air? Should you ask for fly ash in the mix? What happens if it is too hot or cold outside? This is very important because it will have an effect on the cured product outcome. A mix could be completely wrong for your application, or worst case scenario could even create inferior concrete. Not only specifying how much cement is in the mix, but what should also be considered are things like permeability, shrinkage, workability, pumpability, stampability, and sustainability. The correct ratio of concrete mixed materials can solve problems, and the wrong mix can create them. Concrete proportions involves a balance between economy and requirements for placeability, strength, durability, density, and appearance. The best way to measure placeability is through the slump, although 2 different mixes can have the same slump and behave in very different ways depending on the aggregates, the air content, and the admixtures. Long-term durability is as important as placeability and strength, but it's sometimes sacrificed if there are compromises to be made. Durability is achieved by producing a low permeability, low shrinkage concrete that has the proper amount of distribution of entrained air. Durable concrete must resist freeze-thaw cycles and prevent chloride from penetrating to the reinforcing steel to contribute to corrosion. The type of concrete mix used is clearly an important factor, and depending on what the application is will depend on the type of concrete mix you choose. Call the number on the website today. Call and get synced up to the right professionals. Follow us on our YouTube channel at Insync. Be in sync and shop smarter.